Here it is, folks. 1973 Yamaha RD350. Did a fairly full restoration. If you can think of it, it's new or has been replaced. Oil pump cover is off. We're going to be inspecting the function of that because I was told that this engine failed due to a bad oil pump. We'll see. Bored 20 over, fully ported cylinders from Lowell Horning. No expansion chambers yet. A little bit of patina left over. New carbs are, well, new Yamaha carbs are no longer available. These are closest replacements you can get, so there's two separate chokes. Holy shit. Like it's working to me. Timmy, you gonna run this thing or what?